Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: high blood pressure. Foods can significantly impact high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. The mechanisms by which certain foods affect blood pressure can vary, and it's often a combination of factors. Sodium and potassium are two nutrients that the body needs to control blood pressure. If you have too much sodium or too little potassium in your diet, you may develop elevated blood pressure. Almost 50% of adults in the United States have hypertension, which may increase their risk of heart disease, stroke, and many other health conditions. High blood pressure increases the risk of health conditions such as stroke, heart attack, vision problems, sexual dysfunction, kidney disease, circulatory problems, including peripheral artery disease, heart health issues. Here's an overview of how different components in foods can influence blood pressure. We'll be shedding light on the 8 worst foods to avoid if you want to keep your blood pressure in check. 1. The salt shocker. Our first culprit is hiding in plain sight: excessive salt. Too much sodium can lead to water retention, increasing blood volume and, consequently, blood pressure. Even some foods people may consider healthy, such as vegetable juice, may be high in sodium. Cut down on processed foods and limit your salt intake to keep the numbers in check. 2. The sugar menace. Next on the list is the sugar menace. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to weight gain and insulin resistance, which can contribute to high blood pressure. The authors of a 2021 review trusted source suggest that fructose consumption is a major cause of hypertension. They highlight research that suggests fructose may increase salt absorption and trigger insulin expression, which could contribute to high blood pressure. Beware of sugary drinks, candies, and processed sweets. 3. The trans fat terror. Trans fats, often found in fried and processed foods, are our next villain. These fats not only contribute to weight gain but also have a negative impact on cholesterol levels, raising the risk of hypertension. Opt for healthier fats like those found in nuts, avocados, and olive oil. 4. The caffeine conundrum. Now, let's talk about caffeine. While moderate caffeine consumption may not be harmful, excessive intake can lead to a temporary spike in blood pressure. The American Heart Association, AHA, suggests that consuming 2 or more cups of caffeinated coffee per day may also increase the risk of severe complications in people with hypertension. Keep an eye on your coffee, energy drinks, and other caffeinated beverages. 5. The alcohol avenger. Alcohol, our next contender, can be a double-edged sword. Alcohol contains lots of empty calories. Alcohol consumption may contribute to unintentional weight gain or replace healthier meal or beverage options. Excessive drinking can lead to high blood pressure. It's crucial to limit your alcohol intake to maintain a healthy blood pressure. 6. The processed food pandemonium. Last but not least, we have processed foods, a real pandemonium for hypertension. These foods are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Opt for whole, fresh foods instead and cook at home to have better control over your ingredients. 7. Hidden sodium hideouts. Hidden sodium hideouts, our 7th culprit, include restaurant meals, fast food, and even seemingly healthy packaged foods. Keep an eye on labels and choose fresh, whole foods to avoid this sodium sneak attack. 8. Excessive red meat. Excessive red meat intake is our 9th nemesis. High in saturated fats, red meat can contribute to high cholesterol levels and, subsequently, elevated blood pressure. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, or plant-based alternatives. Remember, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management are key components in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay informed, stay healthy, and join us next time.